Okay, everybody line up, line up, line up. Nope, nope, zero, you need to be at the front. Line up. Oh, hello everybody. I was just trying to get my numbers to line up. They're having some trouble, so I need your help. All right, we've learned about number lines in room 2. Maybe you've learned them in other places as well. And you also made one in room 2, so this isn't new. So you do know how to do it. All right, so I'm going to make a number line, but what do I need? There's a few things my number line has to have. It's called a number line, so it needs a line. Now, am I going to make my number line like this? That's a nice line. No, that's a curved line. That's a lovely curved line. A number line should be a horizontal line. Here we go. Horizontal. Straight, horizontal. Pretty good. Now, number lines go on and on because if I start counting, watch this. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44. I can keep counting. I can keep counting. I can go up to 200, 200, 201, 202, 203, 204. Number lines keep going. And the way we show that, we do arrows. They keep going. Now, what's really cool is that as you get older and you start learning more about numbers, you're going to learn about small numbers, numbers that are so very small, we call them negative numbers. So because of that, we put an arrow on both sides. All right, you'll learn more about that as time goes on. Don't worry. All right, but this is our kindergarten number line, so I'm going to start at 0. But what do I put on my number line so I know where my numbers go? Where do I write my numbers? What should I put right here for 0? Do I put a rectangle? A heart? A star? A really cool picture of a dog named Bo? No, I do a tiny little dot, but big enough so you can see it. That's 0. Now I'm going to fit as many numbers as I can on my number line, but my dots have to be the same distance. I can't put one dot here, another dot here, another dot here, and then one way over here. That's too far. They have to be the same distance. So I'm going to use my thumb. And that's going to kind of help me figure out where it should go. Down. Let's see, another one here. Another one here. Yep. Dots. Let's just see how far I can go. Can I squeeze one more in there? Yeah, I'll do one more. All right. Is my number line finished? No, Mr. Dowd, your number line's not done. What did I forget to put on my number line? Numbers. It's called a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then it would continue. I can go all the way outside if I wanted to and keep my numbers going in a socially distant way. Okay, so let's see here. Now I've got a cool number line. Let's see, I've got my line. Check. I've got my arrows. Check. I've got my dots. Yep, and I got my numbers. All right, now I'm going to show you how to use the number line to do some math problems. Now this number line is not very long, so I just have to do my math problems up to 12 or less than 12. So I'm going to try this. I'm going to do 6 plus 5 equals, let's try the number line. It's always more fun to tell math or to learn math when we're doing a story. So I'm just going to come up with anything at all that seems fun to me. Okay, my girls and I, my daughters, we were playing with race cars, like little Hot Wheels. Finley had 6 Hot Wheels. Yeah, put together 5 more. Luella brought 5 over to Finley. How many did Finley have altogether? Well, our story starts at 6. Start at 6. We're going to add 5 more. Whenever we add, the number gets larger. 6. Now I'm going to jump 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number did I land on? I landed on 11. So I said 6, start at 6, add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What number did I land on? 11. So you can do that with any math problem that's addition. You can go to the right on the number line because the numbers get larger because you're putting them together. But what if I change it to subtraction? Let's see. So we made some cupcakes yesterday. You want to see? Happy Easter cupcakes. Luella made a little sign for it. I made everything else, and then the girls decorated it. What do you think about that? So let's see here. How many cupcakes are on this plate here? Let's see. Let me get that in there. How many do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One in the middle. So 7. Starting with 7 cupcakes. We had 7 cupcakes. And then Mr. Dowd came along and took this one and gave it to somebody. And then he took another one and gave that to somebody. Guess how many he gave away? He gave away 4 cupcakes. So I know we're giving away 4. Does that sound like it's addition or subtraction? We're starting with 7. We're giving away 4 cupcakes. I'm taking away 4 cupcakes from the plate. Taking away that subtraction. 7 cupcakes, take away 4 equals. How many are left? Here we go. Let's use the number line. Start at 7. Now we're subtracting, so that means we're going to the left. Subtracting how many? 4. So I'm going to go back on my dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. What number did I end up on? 3. That's right. 3. 7 subtract 4 equals 3. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Subtract 4. I'm going to say that. I think I forgot something. I'm going to say that again. Back up. Start at 7. Subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where am I at? 3. So my answer is 3. There should be 3 cupcakes left. So the story would be, Mr. Dowd and his daughters made 7 cupcakes. Mr. Dowd gave away 4 cupcakes. How many cupcakes did he have left? 3. And you used your number line to check to make sense. All right, so that's it for the number line lesson. I'm going to do one more video showing you how to make a number line. So that'll be part 2, and it'll probably be right next to this one on the video. All right, thanks so much for listening.